In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PowerPoint slides into Google Slides efficiently and quickly. Whether you're switching from Microsoft PowerPoint to Google Slides, or you simply need to share your presentations in a more accessible format, this guide is for you. Let's break this process down step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your browser and navigating to the Google Slides homepage. It's a good idea to bookmark this page if you'll be using it regularly. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This ensures that any changes or presentations you make are saved in your Google Drive, so they can be accessed from anywhere. Once you're signed in, make sure you're at the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll find options to create a new presentation and access existing ones. If this is your first time, you may see a few prompts guiding you through the setup. At this point, you'll want to start a new presentation. You can do this by clicking on the blank presentation button. Alternatively, if you have a specific theme in mind, you can choose from a variety of templates. This choice depends on the style you're aiming for and can save time if you find one that suits your needs. With your new presentation open, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on File. This menu contains numerous options for managing your slides, and the one we're interested in is Import Slides. By clicking Import Slides, you'll open a new window. Here you have the option to upload a PowerPoint file directly from your computer. This feature is perfect for those who have been working on PowerPoint but need to transition their work into Google Slides for further collaboration or presentation. You can browse through your documents to select the file you wish to import. Once you've located it, double-click on the file or select it and click Open. After loading your file, Google Slides will show you a preview of all the slides contained in your PowerPoint file. You have the option to select specific slides if you don't need to import the entire presentation. This can be particularly useful if you're working with a large presentation and just need to adapt a portion of it. Simply click on the slides you want to import, and once you're ready, hit the Import Slides button. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully imported PowerPoint slides into Google Slides. You can now edit and present your slides from any device with internet access. Remember, the key advantage here is that Google Slides saves your work automatically and allows for easy collaboration. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.